Assembly instructions for microswitch in under voltage release. These are the accessories required. Tools required: screwdrivers and nose plier. Lift the shroud cover, press off push button and open the racking shutter. Rotate the handle anti-clockwise or clockwise in order to unlock it, and then remove the handle from cradle. Insert the handle and rotate it in anti-clockwise direction until breaker comes into disconnected position. Slightly push the handle inwards and take out such that racking shutter closes. Then insert the handle back into the cradle. With the help of rail handle, pull out the breaker up to maintenance position and unload the breaker from rail. Remove screws from both sides of the fascia. Pull down the charging handle halfway and take out the fascia by tilting it upwards. Pull out the breaker SICs from SIC bridge. Remove these 4 screws of top plate. Pull out the top plate. Delatch it from spring using nose plier. Now take the top plate out from breaker. Flip the top plate upside down. The micro switch needs to be fixed in this slot. Click fit the micro switch in the top plate. Pass the wires through the slot and then slightly pull it. Now charge the breaker. Check for charge indication. Then make breaker on. Ensure that these 2 protrusions of top plate goes inside these 2 holes of housing. First, keep the top plate on mechanism and latch the top plate with spring using nose plier. By slightly pushing the top plate inside, fix it with 4 screws along with spring washer. Make breaker off. Mount the respective breaker SICs on bridge as per the numbering on wires. Replace dummy SICs of X, X1 and X2 with SICs having contacts. Ensure this position of lug orientation with serrations. Insert the screwdriver in the rectangular slot. Press the spring clamp and insert the wire with the number matching with that on the label of SIC bridge. Pull down the charging handle halfway and insert the fascia. Refix the screws on both sides of the fascia. Now, breaker is ready for mounting on the cradle. Push the breaker inside the cradle. Lift the shroud cover. Press off push button and open the racking shutter. Rotate the handle clockwise or anti-clockwise in order to unlock it, and then remove the handle from cradle. Insert the handle and rotate it in clockwise direction until breaker comes into connected position. Slightly push the handle inwards and take out such that racking shutter closes. Then insert the handle back into the cradle.